All right, so I had a wee question on one of my videos the other day. It was the one that I made about the upgrades to the CNC machine, so the control board and the things like that. So the question read, "Hi, great to see the rebuild. Can you please offer some info about the board you are using for the signal on the servo drive, the one placed on CN3? So I believe that would be this one here. It's actually CN2, and this is the board here. So this is the part number here, board, and basically what it does is it allows me to use an Ethernet cable to plug into there, and then basically I can plug into any of these motor drive output and link it straight back to that. Now the advantage of doing that is that I can have a bit more safety built into the machine. So this board here is actually sensing if the machine crashes or anything, and that'll basically it'll stop the machine for me. So that's the card there. The way I had it up was I had to make these two join together. So I've just bridged them across. What was that for? Oh, that's just the enable pin. So that's the enable pin, which then allows this board to talk to the machine controller, which is the C82 board. So this board here, I chose for my machine with the help of Arturo down at CNC for PC. Basically, I chose this board because it was easy to connect up to these stepper drives, which are those ones there. So they're off of AliExpress, and they are 1 horsepower servo drives. So this here talks to that, makes everything a lot easier. So yeah, if there's anything else that you sort of want to know about these boards or anything, you can ask me the question in the comments below. But other than that, I would recommend going to the CNC for PC website and talking to them down there, because they really know their stuff. And it's probably easier if you ask them or tell them the details about your build, and then they'll be able to recommend a board or a controller or something like that to be able to set you up, make things nice and easy. They were really good, easy to deal with. The board I got all the way from America all the way to my house here in New Zealand in about 2 weeks, I think it was. It might have been a little bit less, but the shipping was pretty quick. For the price of the board, it's pretty well priced, really, to be honest. Looking at the other options that you have with these control boards, this board here sort of gave me all the inputs and outputs that I'm going to need for my encoders, the limit switches, all of the inputs and outputs for the different end stops. Then there's going to be enough pins in here to run a full automatic tool changer and probably a 4th axis as well. So yeah, after talking to them, this was the board that we came up with, and from the testing that I've done, I'm really happy with it. It seems to work really well. I haven't had any issues, and it's all been pretty easy to hook up. So down in the description, I'll leave a link to this board and a discount code, which I think gives you possibly 5% discount off of one of these boards. The link in the description is an affiliate link. So when you purchase from the store, I do get a commission off of that, but it doesn't cost you any more to make that purchase. So yeah, that would help the channel out. But other than that, thanks for watching.